Taenia multiceps is a tapeworm that is a parasite that can affect human beings. Other terms for it include multiceps, which is an older term, and also cerneurosis. The definitive hosts for multiceps are wild and domestic carnivores, including foxes, wolves, and dogs. And multiceps is a particular problem in Africa, Europe, North and South America. This is a brief overview of the life cycle of multiceps. Multiceps eggs are found in the feces of the definitive hosts, such as dog feces. This is ingested by the intermediate hosts, particularly grazing animals including sheep and goats. But humans are, of course, also intermediate hosts if they ingest the eggs. Once ingested, the eggs form oncospheres. These pass through the intestine into the tissues, resulting in a gradually enlarging mass. The multiceps life cycle continues when the definitive host eats infected tissue from the intermediate hosts. The tapeworms then mature in the small bowel, and they release eggs that are passed into the feces. The eggs are then ingested by the intermediate host, and so the cycle carries on. This is a brief summary of how multiceps infects humans. So multiceps eggs are ingested. They then hatch into the larvae in the intestine. The larvae then pass through the intestine wall into tissues and form cysts in areas such as the brain, the muscles, subcutaneous tissue, and the eyes. The enlarging masses then produce symptoms. So in the brain, symptoms are caused by the space-occupying lesions causing a raised intracranial pressure. This may result in drowsiness, seizures, headaches, etc. If the multiceps is in the muscle or subcutaneous tissue, then this can create a fluctuant tender mass that may be mistaken for a neoplasm, and if the multiceps is in the eye, then this will of course result in impaired vision. This is the histological appearance of multiceps that caused a subcutaneous mass. Multiceps is so called because in its larval stage it has multiple heads, or scolices. It is these multiple heads that allow it to be distinguished from other tapeworms.